I saw his eyes just before the rooster crowed. The same eyes that calmed storms, looked straight into my shame. And I remembered his words, before the rooster crows, you will deny me 3 times, and I did. I was Peter, and I failed him. I was the loud one. The bold one. The first to follow. The first to speak. When he asked, who do you say I am? I said, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. He smiled at me, called me the rock. Said on this rock, he would build his church. Imagine that, me, a fisherman, carrying his promise. I was ready to fight for him. Or so I thought. That night, everything changed. He was arrested. The one who walked on water, now bound in ropes. I followed at a distance, close enough to see him, but too far to stand with him. By the fire in the courtyard, a servant girl said, you were with him. You're one of them. I panicked. I don't know him, I said. Someone else saw me. I'm sure you were with Jesus. Again, I denied him. Then a man said, your accent gives you away. You're Galilean. I swore. I cursed. I don't know the man, and the rooster crowed. He turned and looked at me. He didn't speak. He didn't need to. I ran. I wept.